Most romantic date ever. IKEA! Yeah!
The lines are gonna be long, but now I'm like, nah, let's get a bag.
Oh my god. A million bags. I am extremely excited to be here. Let's go.
Alright, click around. I'm overwhelmed.
Me too.
I should get a table.
You should get an everything.
I will crush the tiny chair.
No, you will not. Oh my god.
I'm upset.
Look at this plush carpet. I feel like I shouldn't be stepping on it, but it's delightful.
Ooh, it's
so soft. It is squishy. God, it's really soft. You would lie in this and like not do art because you'd be asleep.
I know that I say this about every single thing I've looked at so far.
Oh, what? Oh. Now I'm toasty. He's very excited. This fake pie is everything. How much is the fake pie? Really? This room is extremely... Well, okay, this room is cool, but like also it's a little creepy. Oh, look, it's my dumb face. Hipster room. Look at the creepy serial killer wall over there. Yeah. All these people that got murdered by the person that owns this room. Ooh. Alrighty. The great thing about IKEA is that if you get tired walking around the enormous compound, you just take a rest on a nearby couch. They're just like all over the place. It's wonderful. This is a great place for people who can't stay in their own lane to come because they need to take a seat. I need some direction in life. Oh look, it's like a sign from above. Like literally, it's a sign from above. That's creepy. That's what's projecting the arrow on the ground.
Oh, it's projecting it.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my outside furniture. This has to happen. This is outside furniture.
It's extremely gay.
I'm gonna finish my course.
He's so ready for it. Miniature what? Oh.
Miniature sex dungeon, according to you.
The miniature sex dungeon.
No.
Extremely tiny stuff. He can't resist.
Oh my god. You're so small.
EJ said these are plants he can't kill.
Oh no, it's better furniture. Oh no.
Yeah, that's the other problem with IKEA. Like, around every corner is like slightly better furniture.
What?
It sucks to be gay sometimes. Actually, it sucks most of the time, but that's okay. Look, it's Trump's world. Hey, look. It's a sticker of me finding your button. Oh my god, look at all the little kid drawings. I wonder if they got little kids to do this. What the...
I could use some more organization thingies.
Look at these cute little art thingies. Look how cute. I love these shelves. I love this. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah. This is a really happy room here in IKEA. Check it out. I don't know if you noticed, but what the heck are these? Pills on the table? They're not actually pills, it's probably just candy. Gotta get some chairs. Is that a shower chair? I think
It's cool looking.
I like the plastic ones. I'm trash. I like these. I like clear chairs. And here we have the brown room.
You're like this. I never know what colors to put in my living room, so I just got black everything.
I like black everything. I'm a depressing goth slash emo slash edgelord. No, not really an edgelord, but I was getting there though.
I was.
Ugh.
Look, it's the lonely person table. Oh, I do kind of like it though. Maybe I should get this for my kitchen.
more gay stuff. Can't help it, huh? Countertop lighting. So yeah, we're here to educate the public on what gay people do on Valentine's Day.
This.
All of this. This is what we do. We go to the gay people convention here at IKEA. I'm just kidding.
Did we go to that section? I forget which way we go.
I think we came from there.
That way.
I think... Dude. We gotta go over here real quick. Really want to ask him how much for the really sleek laptop brand laptop.
Laptop.
E-Prop. Crystal eye. There we go. Now it's crystal clear. Wait, is this just like a door to nowhere?
Yeah.
Like
The kind of
like
thing
on
that-
Rick and Morty?
Oh my god!
Wow.
Sorry.
Is it surprised or is it like happy to see me? I can't really tell. Oh look, there's my stupid face. Oh, right, there's you glaring behind me, I'm sure,
Yeah.
for saying that. Now the real reason I came to IKEA. The toys!
And they're very cool.
Because I'm 12. Not really, but, you know. Oh my god, I want one of these. Look at this. Look at all the little huskies and stuff. Look at that. So many huskies. And other doggies. And piggies. Oh my god, they have all the things. They even have like little stuffed race cars. We have reached the end of our adventure. The IKEA line. I'm bringing this guy home. He's trying.